Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the 5th time that I've been trying to make this video. My sister has been messing it up. You've probably seen this slime in the previous video. It's a very good smelling slime. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's nice. It's a nice pink color with these like little like blue and like red and like pink and like purple colored beads in it and yellow. Like it's called party cake, but this looks more like a birthday cake or like an ice cream. So I'm gonna call this birthday ice cream cake. Oh, that sounds so good. I'm gonna be showing you all of my slimes, and I have a lot of slimes. I do have 2 clear slimes. I used to have 3. I used to have 1 mini and 2 bags full of slime. But so this is what it looks like. And some of my slimes, they got a little bit overactivated, so I'm gonna have to add more glue to them, which that's an easy fix. And so yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. That's a wonderful sound, first. And so I am just putting my slime back up. So this is what it looks like. And this is from Nickelodeon Slime Crazy Art. It says Oozy Gooey Slime. And I found this at Walmart. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was like $1 and something. So, yeah. So the next slime it's kind of dirty because I've been playing with this one like a bunch. And so it's called Fruit Cocktail, and it's by Nickelodeon Slime Crazy Art. This one's like probably one of my favorites. It's a nice clear jelly cube slime. But it's a little bit dirty, but it's amazingly clear. A little bit, I mean a lot bit, but so this, oh, oops, I just dropped it. But it ain't. So this is what it looks like. I know it looks kind of gross, but look at that clear. I mean, I'm going to throw this one away and I'm going to get the same one, but it's going to be this end color and everything, but it's just going to be cleaner. So that's why I'm not going to be playing with this slime a lot. But the next slime is, I don't know what that was. But it's called Mint Chocolate Chip. It is a Crazy Art Nickelodeon slime. It says the same thing, but it's just a different color and different scent. Is this inside the slime? I'm having a struggle getting it out. Oh, what was that? That was like a bead or something coming out of it. But it does look like mint chocolate chip colors. And it looks like it has real chocolate chips in it because it's got like these little brown bead things. That if you want to make something, you do those beads. It's got like a tiny itty bitty template, and then you put it and you put an iron on top of it. It'll come flat and it will stay together. But I don't have any of those. My friend Lexi does though. So this is my last slime, hopefully, the Crazy Art one. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice mint color, like it's supposed to look. And this is the bead one of the beads that fell on the floor. See there, it's like a brownish color. So that's what we have there. This one's not that good of a slime, just to be honest. Probably the best slime out of all of these is the party cake. But this one smells like mint chocolate chip. The next slime is called Strawberry shortcake. Strawberry shortcake. This is mine, and it's a little bit dirty because I played a lot. Or it's just like very clumped up in one thing. And so it's a clear slime, white foam beads, and it's a pretty good clear slime. This was my second clear slime that I made. The first one didn't turn out so good because I added baking soda. I didn't really know how to make clear slimes yet. But so this is what it looks like without the foam beads. So it's a nice pink color. It's not that stretchy unless you stretch it like very, very slow. You can also see the glitter in it. If you just look close, focus. Focus. I'm trying to let it focus. It's a pretty good slime. And on the top, this is what it looks like with the foam beads, and they're getting everywhere. Oh, great. So I'm going to roll it. Then I'm going to pat it, and I'm going to make it with a C. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Oh geez, foam beads are getting everywhere. Okay. I'm trying to mix in the foam beads, but it's not really working. They're just like falling everywhere. See, look. I'm gonna show you the table. This is what the table looks like. Foam beads everywhere. This is what the floor looks like. This is my basket of slime, but I'm not going to show you all of them yet. And then there's some all over the camera. Jeez, let me put all these foam beads, try to mix it in. So I'm going to actually take a tiny piece that barely has any foam beads, and I'm just going to click it. This, there we go. And one of my friends, her name's Abby, and she actually like sprained her ankle, I think, or broke it, one of those. And so I feel bad for her. So make sure you put down in the comments, feel better soon, or get well or something. Say something nice to her because she has hurt her ankle. Okay, I got most of the beads in here. So some of them are falling out, but this is what it looks like. This is horrible lighting. I need to I don't know. What should I do? What should I do about this lighting? Oh my gosh, it just like went. I think I have an idea. I'm actually going to open this door. I'm actually going to turn off this light and see if that's good. I think that's better. Yeah, that looks good. Now the lighting's getting bad again. What am I going to do about this lighting? If you know what to do about this lighting, just let me know in the comments. I can turn this light back on. It doesn't like glow. It's glowing. Close this door then. See. Maybe if I turn off this lamp. Is that better? Still looks like I'm glowing, but oh well. I'll try. But it's a pretty good slime. See. This is what it looks like. It's a nice color. There's a little bit of blue and red glitter in it. Geez, slime, don't make that sound. But this is the bag it was in. Just Food City bag, if you can see. Well, it's a Food City bag. I mean, Food Lion bag. If you don't know what Food Lion is, it's just a grocery bag came from. Not sponsored, by the way. But for the crazy art ones. I mean, whatever is in these type of bags are the ones that are like, ooh, this one I'm gonna have to throw away. Look, that's all the contact solution. I'm gonna have to add more glue to it. And this is called Army Camo Slime. And like, looks like I need to add a lot more glue to it. Oh, jeez. So this is what it looks like. It's very gross. Listen. Yeah, so it's this color, and it's got green foam beads in it, and here's my finger. And it does not stretch, just breaks. And my hand's a mess, so I need to go wash it in a minute. So all the rest of my slimes are like a mess. Ooh, just got slime all over my dad's shirt. This one, I mean, this one's okay. It just needs more glue or something added to it. I mean, it doesn't really stretch or nothing. It's called Galaxy. See, you see it? It's called Galaxy. Whoa, the light. Oh, the lighting looks good now. But it's like lots of bubbles and it just breaks instantly. But it's so pretty. I mean, look how pretty it is. See, look. Hold on. I'm pulling it gentle. And it just snaps. And look. Doesn't go back together. Oh, that slime piece will go in the trash now. But it will go back together once it like sits in the bag for a little bit. So there's like a little glob of it, and it's like this. See this? It's very soft on the bottom. Feel it. Feel it. Look how pretty it is. That is so pretty. I mean, oh my gosh. It's all the bubbles. Okay. Just got a little bit of water stuff on it. For the next one, all of them are bad. I've already done this one, so I'm gonna put the ones that I've done over here, including these. And the pumpkin, next is gonna be a pumpkin slime. It's supposed to say pumpkin slime. And it's actually pretty good. It just needs some more glue. But this is what it looks like. It's got lots of bubbles. I mean, it does stretch, which is good. I mean, it's watery, but I mean, it's contact solution-y. But this is what it looks like. And yeah, so this is it. Just tears and rips. See, it's just gross. But once it gets into the bag, it like, see, look. See, I just ripped it like this. I'm gonna stick it back together, okay? No. Just no. See, it's two pieces. Now it's one. Now it's two again. It's just so gross. I mean, I've made these. These are like slimes I had in contact solution with. So I wanted to get as much as I could on it. But that was a big mistake. The next slime, it's actually pretty good. No like contact solution everywhere. Ooh, my hands are gross. After this video, I'm gonna have to wash my hands because they're gross. But so next we have, it's called Midnight, and it's like this nice purpley color. And it's like not that stretchy because like it's kind of not enough glue. I mean, it's still good slime, but it's just, it has to be a tiny bit sticky, then it will be settled. So that's what I learned from these, and it's like kind of teary aparty because all the contact solution on my hands. Now it's like this. It's pretty stretchy. I mean, it kind of looks like a heart like this. I got like a couple more slimes, but this one's like horrible, and I haven't even named it yet. So let me know in the comments down below what you want me to name this slime. So this is what it looks like. It's very watery, and this is all the contact solution in the bag. I mean, that's a lot. See, it doesn't even stretch, it just rips, and then it can never go back together. So that's why I don't play with this one. So I might not have this one for that long. All the slimes that are rippy and stuff, I'm not gonna have them for long. Oh, no. So the next slime we have is strawberry shortcake, I think. No, it's like, oh, this one bag is already opened. So it's a card. But so this is what it looks like. It's a nice pink color. I actually like the pink color, but it's bad. It feels like a brain. It kind of looks like a tongue. And no, don't eat it. So I'm gonna throw this one away. But I'm gonna add some more glue to some of these. I got some clear glue, but I don't think that's gonna help it. I'm just gonna add it to this slime because, you know, it's clear. I need more clear to it. No, I don't want any green in it. I mean, it feels pretty good, but I'm gonna have to add more glue to it. I always add glue to this one. This is my favorite slime out of all of them. And so I want to make sure it's like extra special. Wiping my hands off. So I'm going to flip it and add more glue. And I am adding Crazy Art washable clear glue for this. Ow, my thumb. And I just added a bunch. And I'm gonna spread it around evenly. My hands are, ew, it stinks so bad. I mean, Now I just gotta mix it in to the slime. I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a little bit. I'm not adding a lot. See, this is all I added, if you can see it. That's all I added, if you can see it. If you can, comment down below if you can. But like, this is awesome. So I have this. So I just got glue all over me, but it is turning into slime once I touch it to the slime. So I might just make clear glue, no food coloring. Just clear glue. It's gonna be called clear slime. Look how much is falling out. Now that is a lot of glue. Massage that in now. If I sound like a little bit stuffy, it's probably because my sister's giving me her cold. And yeah. So I'm sorry if I sneeze or like a sound like this. But and yeah, so that's what happened. And I'm just gonna do this on purpose because I want to. So I'm gonna get glue all over my hand so I can peel it off. Spread it around evenly. So this is what my hand looks like, and this is what my other hand looks like. See, I barely got any glue on this one. Just gonna glue them both. Now it's instantly turning into slime. So I touch it to the slime, and then it turns into slime. So I basically already got my clear glue. It's just coming off of my hand like slime. See, I mix it into my hand, and now it's turning into slime. Do not understand. Honestly, I don't understand why. But like, why? See, now I made a tiny bit of clear slime, but it ain't that clear yet. It's like, I'm literally turning this into a giant clear slime already. Okay, so you can see it just took off a bunch of glue on my hand. This is actually pretty cool, honestly. Like, it's clear. How? And clear slime usually is sticky, but that's the 12 o'clock bell, so you can hear my dog howling. Can't say that word, but who cares? I'm just tapping it onto my hand, and now it's like slime. I'm just tapping it onto my hand with all the glue on it, and now it's like turning into slime. That is insane. I'm gonna do it to this hand now. This is so cool. My skin feels refreshed too. It's got like a tiny bit of like coloring in it, but that's okay. I mean, it's working. I didn't mean for it to get all this off, but I mean, it's slime now. Look. That is so stinking cool. I mean, some of the glue's starting to dry, which is bad. So I'm gonna try and get as much as glue as I can. See, I touched the slime here, and like, so I touched the slime, my strawberry shortcake, and I touched it, and then I had glue in my hand, and it instantly turned into slime. That honestly is insane. No. Okay. No. So this is what the mini slime turned out to be like. So I think I might add a little bit more glue to it. I mean just a little bit. Added a little bit more glue, and this has no contact solution in it. because you would have even saw me. And I don't even have any contact solution in here. Just have blue food color. I'm gonna add like a ton, just like that. I said I was gonna keep it clear, but I decided not to. Oh, this is gonna get all over my hands. So I think I'm just gonna like carefully mix it in. Great, I'm gonna turn into a Smurf now. Bad idea. Okay, now I need to add more glue. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm being quiet. I'm just trying to mix in this. I'm turning into a Smurf. I'll tell ya. I sneezed. I'm proud of it. So this is what it turned out looking like. I mean, it's beautiful, honestly. So I'm gonna take like the smallest amount of this pink slime and mix it in. Because I think that would just look wonderful. So this is what it ended up turning out like. I didn't mean to make any slimes in this video, but I just did, so. With like barely any contact solution, which I don't have anymore, so I bet it came from this strawberry shortcake slime. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video I make. Okay, hold on, guys. Before I leave, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Pretty please. Because like, some people can't make slime, and I'm one of the people that can. There's some people that have food, and I have food. So make sure you comment down below, rest in peace slime, and comment down below if I should send fan mail to someone. And I won't tell you who it is until the next vlog. Okay guys, see you later. Bye!